In this video, we will try to provide you Brain Out All Levels Answer 2020. We will also try to provide you Brain Out All Level Updated Solution so that you get the latest solution. Brain Out Level number 131. Turn on the least switch to get water. We have to switch on the two switches and just check out the switches which I am switching. It will turn green. You have to switch these two switches. Brain Out Level number 132. Find the wolf in the sheep. We have to find the wolf in the sheep. That means wolf has covered itself as a sheep. Well, there is a meat. Let's try it with wolf. Wolf will see the meat and it will react. This is the wolf. We have to uncover it. Now we have successfully caught the wolf. Brain Out Level number 133. Nap time is over. Wake baby up to feed some milk. Let's wake the baby. Well, nap time, just we have to rotate this clock minute hand to 2 hours. 1 hour and this is 2 hours. Now tap on the baby. He will wake. Now give him the milk. He will drink the milk. Brain Out Level number 134. Make the paper windmill spin fast. We can try it manually. For the paper mill to spin fast, we have to rotate our device, or we have to just shake our device and it will start spinning fast. Just shake your device and it will work. Brain Out Level number 135. Find a heart. Well, we can't see any figure which is equivalent to heart, but we have two figures of red color. We can try it to make heart. Just keep like this and make it like this. Yes, we have done it successfully. Brain Out Level number 136. Hey, what time it is now? This is really tricky question. In watch it is showing 9 o'clock, but in it is asking what time it is now. So you have to check your mobile time. You have to check your what time is in your mobile. Just check it. In my mobile it is 10:46 p.m. Just type 10:46 or whatever time you have. Just write that same time which your mobile clock is showing. Then only you will clear the level. Brain Out Level number 137. Do not lift up the stone. It's disgusting under it. Well, we have to lift the stone to see the disgusting. Just tap 3 fingers and try to lift it. You have to tap 3 finger and move upward. Brain Out level number 138. How many triangles are there? You have to find how many triangles are there. Just move one triangle outside from this triangle. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's 7. Yes, it's 7. Brain Out level number 139. Help the kitten fishing. For this you have to first shake your device so that the sting which cat is using come out of the water. Now take the worm out to this. Now shake again to get the fish out. You have to shake your device twice. First to get the fishing rod out and then to get the fish out. You have to shake your device twice. Brain out level number 140. Zozo want to go to skating with friends. Help him find another skates. You have to use this equipment to make a skateboard. Let's try it out. Just do like what I am doing. Just rotate this F shape, and this is the heart, but when you rotate it will become shoe. Just bring it to the F. Now just remove the bottom of the cup and place it on the shoe, and your skateboard is ready.